Brazil releases details of military confrontation with UFOs in 1986. The video starts with a general describing how there were 6 to 8 light orb plasma pulsating UFOs that had to be chased by the Brazilian Air Force, one jet at a time. They were going over 500 miles an hour as they were chased by Brazilian Air Force jets, and at some point they appeared on the radar and they flashed off radar, flashing on radar, and they were being chased and then disappeared. And there was one image taken by someone of this actual UFO over Brazil of 1986, and it seemed to be a rod-shaped light UFO. Some people did take images of what seemed to be a regular disc-shaped white UFO, whereas others claimed that they saw light orbs in the sky, pulsating, flying around, changing shapes, changing altitudes. This sighting of 1986 caused a lot of the official Brazilian military, governmental, scientific, mathematical, and cosmological experts to disagree on what all this was. The general went on to say that one craft saw 6 of these light orbs on one of its sides and 7 light orbs on the other side of his aircraft, and that the military aircraft were chasing these for over 5 minutes. The military general went on to say that they have no idea what these things were, that they were UFOs. They have no idea where they came from, why they were over Brazil. Images were taken by Geraldo Canares. You can see them in the film at about minute 6.5 to 7. And that they are the light orb pulsating round discs. They were very low over the rooftop of buildings in Brazil. Now, it was an accident as to how they were recorded, because there was a team of cinematographers recording a commercial dawn of Friday morning, and that's when the commercial recorded these orbs on top of buildings of Sao Paulo. They were in the forms of lights, and so there was no doubts that these were actual UFOs, images UFOs over Sao Paulo, Brazil. After taking back the recording of these light orb UFOs to a lab to examine it in more detail, they found that these discs, these light orbs, were in fact rotating, and as they were rotating, they were changing colors from yellow, blue, and orange, and it kept on changing colors as it rotated. It kept on spinning and changing colors that they were not able to see as they were recording it. And the biggest resemblance would be similar to the light of the moon, but the moon was already recorded somewhere else. And these were not positions of stars, and they were pulsating light orbs, changing colors, low in Earth orbit, even over rooftops. I'll leave links below for you for this.